Good morning, dear student. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Dear student, today we will study your grammar chapter 21 about prefixes and suffixes. To understand what is prefix and suffix, please pay attention and listen and watch carefully. Okay. Dear student, prefix is a letter or a group of letters. Okay, prefix is a letter or a group of letters to the beginning of a word to form another word. To form another words with a different meaning is called a prefix. Once again, a prefix is a letter or a group of letters added to the beginning of a word to form another word with a different meanings. Look at some example here. Okay, so there is a word. There is a word popular, that is prefix un. We will add un to the beginning of the words to make another words with a different meaning. So let's see. Popular, when we add un, it's become unpopular. Cover, we add un, it becomes uncovered. Known, when we add un, it becomes unknown. Friendly, when we add un, it becomes unfriendly. Finished, when we add un, it becomes unfinished. Okay, these are the prefixes when we add un in the words to make another words with a different meaning. So, and there is another prefix dis. Okay, we will add at the beginning of a word to make another word like. When we add this, it becomes dislike. What it becomes? Dislikes. Appear, when we add this, it becomes disappears. Okay, in this way, respect, when we add this, it becomes disrespect. In this way, agree, when we add this, it becomes disagree. Connect, when we add this, it becomes disconnect. In this way, the make a new word and the also meaning is different. And there is also another prefix in. When you add at the beginning of the words, it also make a different words with a different meanings. The words are possible. Okay, possible. When you add in, it become impossible. What it become? Impossible. Okay, in this way, mature, when we add it become immature. What it become? Immature. In this way, patient, when we add it become impatient. Polite, when we add it become impolite. In this way, mobile, when we add it become immobile. Okay, in this way we may prefix words with a different meaning. Okay, and there are a lot of words. Legal, when we add also there is another words for prefix like in, ir, il. Okay, these are also prefixes to make another words. Okay, so dear friends, like this legal, it becomes illegal, responsible, it becomes irresponsible. Regular, it becomes irregular. Direct, it is become indirect. Sufficient, it becomes insufficient. Active, it becomes inactive. Literate, it becomes illiterate. Repairable, it becomes irreparable. Visible, it becomes invisible. Legible, it becomes illegible. Dear friends, I have explained the prefix very nicely. If you feel any difficulty to understand it, you can contact me without any hesitations. Okay, till then, thank you. Have a nice day.